Hey all you Buckeye fans, this recipe is for you. Instead of making those little truffles, we're making Buckeye Brownies, and they are fantastic. Gooey, rich, fudgy, chocolatey, peanut buttery, these are the best brownies you'll ever eat.
We're going to start off making our brownie recipe, which is the base. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter that's been melted is mixed with 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 1/3 cups of granulated sugar. I love mixing the oil with the butter because it keeps them nice and fudgy. Then add in 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, along with 2/3 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. You could also use Dutch process in this if you want. Stir it until it's nice and smooth, and then you'll mix in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And then just stir that until it's completely mixed. You could definitely use a brownie mix for this. You'll want to use one that's made for a 9 by 9 inch pan. Place it into the 9 by 9 inch pan. I line mine with foil and spray it with nonstick cooking spray for easy removal. Bake these at 350 for about 18 to 22 minutes.
Instead of making that creamy peanut butter filling, instead I'm making these super simple with Nutter Butter cookies, kind of like Oreo truffles, but Nutter Butter truffles. Say that 3 times fast. Nutter Butters in America are a peanut butter sandwich cookie with like a crunchy cookie and peanut butter filling. So you can use any brand of that you want. It doesn't have to be the Nutter Butter brand. So the filling only has 2 ingredients, cream cheese and those cookies. You blend that all up in the food processor and press it on top of those brownies.
I used 20 Nutter Butter cookies and 5 ounces of softened cream cheese in my food processor to make a nice thick mixture. Press that on top of your cooled brownies. Then the topping is 1 cup of chocolate chips and a tablespoon of peanut butter. And then just melt that and spread it all over the top. You'll want to let that chocolate set before you slice them into bars.
Top it with that chocolate mixture and you have the best Buckeye brownies that you'll ever eat. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more brownie recipes.